Driving down the road on my bike going due. A small town saying some bad guys chirps out. A cop spitting his fucking face, lighting up the country's flag. So I stopped and shot both of them dead. Try that in a small town, see how far you make it down the road. Here in this town, everyone knows one another. They know the clubs, but it ain't about your fucking life. It's stuff of the lives of everyone taken alive. Never should be done. You don't